Hello, everybody. We are gonna fix this old radio.
What old radio?
The radio right beside me.
This one right here.
Yes.
So, and you're gonna fix it?
Me and Grandpa are gonna fix it.
Oh, okay. Now, you were in my shop just a while ago, weren't you?
Yeah.
And we did a video, and I think I called that video 4-year-old in my shop.
Yeah.
Can I call this one 4-year-old in my shop? How come?
Because I'm 5.
Because you're what?
Because I'm 5.
And when did you turn 5?
Right now.
Right now.
Today is my birthday, and I'm turning 5. So this is gonna be the video that I'm turning 5, and I'm turning 5 right now. And I just had a birthday cake earlier.
You did?
Yes.
Was it a good cake?
Yes. It was a rainbow cake, but it had rainbow icing.
Okay, that's great. So you're 5 years old now.
Yeah, I'm 5 years old.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna go back in my class, and I'm gonna be 5 years old.
That's right. Okay, let's pay attention to the radio here, because people watch my videos. They like to find out about radio. What can you tell me about this radio?
When radios are not broken, they do they have speakers?
Yeah.
They have speakers on.
Yeah. The speaker for this radio is in that wooden box behind you there.
Yes.
Yeah. But I have another speaker hooked up with some wires. There's some wires here, and the speaker's way up there. See it up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's
So
what would...
speakers, if noise is coming out of them, they could be loud sometimes, right?
Oh yes, they could be.
But sometimes they're also quiet, right?
It just depends how loud you turn them, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's a control for that.
Yeah, there's a control for that, and let's start the video.
Okay. So, tell me about these knobs. What are these things sticking out here?
I don't know.
You don't?
No.
Well, if you turn this one, see what happens?
Yeah. What if I turn this one?
Of course, nothing's going to happen because this isn't turned on. A little tough to turn, isn't it? Hey, you see this is moving when you do it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. How's that happening?
I don't know.
Here, let me put this on here, I think. Not that one. These are all missing their locking pieces. Well, it's a little easier like that. The knob will fall off, but you can turn it easier now, I think. Okay. So what would that be? Would that be tuning the radio?
Yeah?
Okay. Now, should we turn it on?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah, we should turn it on.
Okay, let's do that. And I may have to go and turn the antenna on down here because I don't think the antenna's switched on. So I'm just checking to make sure everything's safe and ready here.
Let me use the flashlight.
Here we go. I'm turning it on now.
Do you see? Do you see how it looks?
Yeah, I see how it looks, yeah.
I'm not asking you. I'm asking the people who.
Oh, you're asking the viewers.
Yeah. Do you see it in lighter? Do you see it lighter?
Well, no one's going to answer you. And be careful now. You want to get your hand on there. That might not be too good. Well, it's a big buzz coming out of it.
What's going on? Are people just saying no?
See, we probably should have turned the antenna on down here first. What's that? Boy, oh boy, that's some terrible noise there.
I don't know
Okay,
how.
I'll tell you what. You stay here for just a few seconds. I'm going to go down and turn
Okay.
the switch on.
How many seconds?
12 and a half is usually what it takes.
12?
and a half. Can you count to 12?
Yeah.
But you can't count quick. You're counting like a clock, right? Tick, tick, tick. Ready? Start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everyone count. 11, 12.
Did you get the 12?
Yeah.
Did you get past 12?
No. 13. 14.
Now the next thing is we need to
What?
plug the antenna in to the radio.
Yes, we should.
What's the antenna do?
It makes it loud.
Makes it loud. It sure did, but just a bunch of noise.
Yeah, made a bunch of noise.
Okay, we're going to tune this radio now. Go ahead, you tune it. Nope, you got to push the knob on a little bit further. You need a better knob on there. Okay, you're at the end. Go the other way. Oh, what'd you hear there? Go back. You went past it again. You stop right around here.
Here?
Oh, you went right past the station again. You're going too fast.
There?
Yep. There you are. So, where's this voice coming from right here? Yeah, gosh, you're supposed to turn around this way. Yeah, where's this voice coming from that we're hearing?
From here?
Well, it's coming out of the radio, but where is she?
I don't actually know.
Well, she's far away at a radio station.
I don't actually know.
She might be in Ottawa,
She's in Ottawa.
or she might be in Toronto. That's probably where she is.
Toronto. I cheer for a team that is called Toronto.
You do cheer for that team.
Yeah.
Playing what sport?
Hockey.
Hockey, of course.
Hockey.
Okay, are we done?
Not on the video.
Oh, okay, what else are we going to do?
Fix the radio.
But if I fixed it, this one's already fixed. That's why we're playing it, because it's working now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's do a little bit of music on this now for the video.
Well, how do we do music on this?
I don't know.
I don't know either. We'd have to find some on the radio. Traffic and weather.
And we're also following shared some of early doubts about her looks. She was self-conscious.
That's not
about her
music, is it?
appearance and for a
Hey,
while
this way.
even
This
questioned the
That's not
extent
music, eh?
of her singing
No, it's
ability.
not. And I want music.
That's right. You're Jewish. They're Palestinian. You're Mexican.
There's some music. Can't leave it on here, though. Oh. What language is that?
French.
That's right. And there's another voice.
English.
A cold beer and
Yeah. They're not all English or French. Sometimes up here we can get other languages.
Can you do a Chinese?
Chinese,
Yeah.
yes,
Yes.
it's possible, but not today.
Oh. Why?
I need a little bit of a better radio to pick up those signals. They're pretty weak.
Um,
And the terrible static.
the video is all done.
Are we done now? Okay,
The
so
video is all done.
who are you talking to?
The people there.
The people out there. Okay,
No,
You-
to some people who are watching it, I think.
very good.
So we're gonna see you next video. We might not do. We might do it next time I come.
Mm-hmm.
Are we?
We'll kind of make it a sort of a thing we do every time you come visit.
Yeah.
We'll do a little video in here.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we're gonna do it every time I come here. We're gonna do only one video.
Okay. Okay, so we're done now, are we?
Yes, the video's all done
Okay.
for this time.
Then you should say thank you very much for watching.
Thank you very much for watching.
And
We hope you have a good day.
very good. Great. Okay.
So
I'm gonna-
bye bye.
Bye-bye.